Imagine strapping a device to your wrist that doesn't just track your location, but actually calculates your exact physiological survival odds in the harshest environments on Earth. For years, elite athletes, survivalists, and tech enthusiasts have relied on smartwatches to push their limits. We've accepted the compromises, choosing between a beautiful, vibrant screen that dies in a couple of days, or a dull, washed-out display that lasts for weeks but looks completely outdated indoors. We've tolerated GPS signals that drop the second you step under heavy forest canopies or hike into deep canyons. But behind closed doors, Garmin has been quietly building an absolute monster of a device that is about to permanently alter the landscape of wearable technology. It is the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. This is not just another minor iterative upgrade or a flashy annual cosmetic refresh. This is an uncompromising, ground-up engineering masterclass designed to shatter every single limitation of modern sports smartwatches. Garmin's top-tier developers have spent months secretly filing revolutionary patents and breaking code inside application software to prepare for a hardware revolution that will leave Apple, Samsung, and every other competitor completely obsolete. Today, we are stripping away the quiet rumors and exposing the raw, unfiltered truth behind this unreleased powerhouse. We are uncovering a radical new hybrid display technology that finally solves a decade-long engineering puzzle. A quantum leap tracking array that achieves precision never before seen in a consumer device, next-generation deep tissue biometrics, and an emergency communication system that completely removes your reliance on cell towers forever. If you are an outdoor explorer, a data-driven athlete, or someone who simply demands the absolute peak of modern survival engineering, you cannot afford to blink. Stay completely locked in for every minute of this deep dive, because buried deep inside Garmin's latest supply chain leaks is a groundbreaking tracking feature that changes how you train your specific muscles, an advanced metric that Garmin has guarded with extreme secrecy until right now. To truly grasp how massive of an industry reset the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro represents, you have to look closely at the legendary screen debate that has bitterly divided the Garmin community for a decade. Historically, buyers had to make a painful sacrifice. You could choose the Epix or modern Fenix variants with an AMOLED display, giving you hyper-vibrant colors, perfect deep blacks, and stunning fluid animations, but you sacrificed battery life and outdoor readability under blasting sunlight. Or you could choose the standard Fenix line with a memory in pixel display, which used almost zero power and loved direct sunlight, but looked incredibly dull, washed out, and dim the second you stepped indoors or into the dark. Garmin has officially decided to end this compromise forever. According to deep patent tracking and internal supply chain analysis, the Fenix 9 Pro is engineered with a world-first hybrid display system. This is an incredibly advanced custom architecture that seamlessly fuses an ultra-bright, 3000 nit AMOLED panel directly beneath a newly engineered, fully transparent solar charging sapphire layer. This means you get the best of both worlds with zero performance penalties. When you are indoors, you get deep, infinite contrast and mesmerizing color fidelity. The second you step into the blinding light of the desert or a high-altitude mountain peak, the solar element takes over, drawing clean energy from the sun to actively power the display and replenish your internal